Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the easiest and most effective cleaning tools you can have in your home, the Swiffer floor cleaner. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and description below. If you're tired of heavy mops, start at number 1, microfiber spray mop for floors cleaning. Spray mop for effortless cleaning. This spray mop has both wet and dry functions and is designed for housewives. Housewife dust mop. Designed for housewives, also suitable for the elderly, parents, pet owners, cleaners, student multi-purpose floor mop. Suitable for multiple surfaces such as hardwood, tile, wood, laminate, vinyl, marble, ceramic, etc. Microfiber mop with 3 pads. Machine washable, reusable microfiber pads, compatible with Swiffer power mop. Kitchen mop with 360 degrees rotating head. 360-degree swivel head reaches under furniture and into tight spaces. Flat mop with refillable bottle. You can add your preferred cleaning solution or water as needed. Multi-scene spray mop usage, suitable for residential and commercial cleaning, such as kitchen, bathroom, restaurant, office, apartment, and studio. Empty the bottle when you are not using the MO. Adding strong bases, acids, boiling water, and concentrates to the bottle is not recommended. Number at 2 Floor Spray Mop Cleaner Starter Kit, wetjet provides the cleaning power of a mop with the convenience of a wipe, allowing you to easily clean your floors in minutes without the hassle of a traditional mop and bucket set. Easy assembly. Assembly is a breeze. After connecting the handle, simply insert the batteries, load the cleaning solution, pop on a fresh pad, and you're ready to clean. Safe for use across all hard-sealed surfaces. wetjet is safe for use across all hard-sealed and finished surfaces. Do not use on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles, or carpeted floors because they may be water-sensitive. Effective cleaning solution. wetjet's powerful cleaning solution fights dirt and grime while the thick pad absorbs it deep inside, ensuring it doesn't get pushed around. Fresh and clean. With wetjet, you start with a fresh, clean pad every time. Choose from a variety of specially scented formulas that leave your floors clean while awakening your senses. Number at 3 Spray Mop for floor cleaning 800 millimeters. Large capacity water tank. CL Dream microfiber spray mop have a larger water tank compared with other products on the market. Because the spray bottle is too small, so you have to refill it many times that you can get an area clean done. Today, help you get rid of it. We are the only 800 millimeter large capacity spray mop currently. Premium quality. The connection of dust spray mop adopts specific craftsmanship for anti-leakage, improve the problem of leakage of other floor mops after use. Ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip and new generation of liquid release device. You only need to gently pull the trigger to start your cleaning. Make floor cleaning more easy and simple. 360-degree rotation wide mop head. Large mop head cleans more faster than the other mop, and flexible swivel angle, which allows flat mop to reach any crevices and deep corner with ease, such as under the sofa, bed, etc. You don't need to bend over. You also can use it clean the wall, windows. Isn't this what you've been looking for? Next number at 4. Compatible with Swiffer Sweeper Mop, these reusable mop pads are specifically designed for use with the Swiffer Sweeper Mop and all 10 to 12-inch flat mops. Exclude Swiffer Sweeper XL models. Reusable and washable mop pads. Use these durable cloths as both dry mop pads and wet mop pads again and again. Simply toss them in the washing machine to clean them like new, drastically reducing waste and saving you money compared to disposable refills. High-quality mopping pads refills. Crafted from durable microfiber cloths, our mop pads refills are super absorbent. They effortlessly trap pet hair, dog, cat, dirt, dust, and hair while leaving your floors streak-free and residue-free for a truly clean home. Fits all types of floors. Make use of our dry sweeping cloths, whether you have hardwood, ceramic tile, laminate, marble, stone, or cement floors. Our microfiber wet pads are up for the task. They provide a gentle yet effective clean, ensuring your surfaces remain scratch-free. Ideal for homes, kitchens, offices, schools, workshops, and garages, they cater to all your daily cleaning needs. Package includes and easy to attach. Get 6 reusable mop pads, mop not included, each rated for 200+ washes. Simply attach the reusable microfiber pads to your mop, ready to go. Enjoy a secure, hassle-free cleaning experience. No more struggling with disposable pads that slip. Less number at 5 4-pack mop refill pads for Swiffer. Application: cleaning pads only apply for Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop and Swiffer Power Mop Wood Mop, not fit for Swiffer Wetjet and Sweeper Mop. Please kindly check your mop type before ordering. Wet and dry. The mop pad refills with hundreds of scrubbing strips efficiently clean hard-to-reach areas. When used wet, the microfiber cloth quickly absorbs liquids, and during dry use, it effortlessly removes dust, leaving your floors refreshed. Reusable and washable. These pads are washing machine friendly, highly absorbent, quick drying, and reusable multiple times, making it not only more sustainable but also more economical than disposable pads. Fit for all hard floors. These pad replacements are suitable for wooden and various floor surfaces such as parquet, tile, marble, laminate, and linoleum. What's more, they leave no trace of them in what you get. This set includes 2 yellow and 2 purple pads. Each lasts 2 to 3 months. Replace pads regularly to keep your mop performing at its best and your home always clean. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cleaning tips, and let me know in the comments, have you tried the Swiffer yet? Or do you have another favorite floor cleaner? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.